Hi everyone, welcome back to Netric video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we continue from our previous video that we talking about the DNS server, and we introduce you what is the DNS server is and our scenario with the entire series. What we're gonna do in this video as well. So now let's go back and briefing about what we're gonna do in this video tutorial. We already introduced you about our DNS and our scenario. In this step, we're gonna take in step 3. So we're gonna install bind and configuring our DNS server. And also we will check with the zone file, create the zone file in this video as well. So let's start with our server. I'm gonna log into my server, and this is our server. So let's before we install the bind, let me check some requirement first. Let's see my host name. Okay, this is our host name, server srv1 server learning server.local, and IP address is, this is our IP address, and let's ping to the internet. Yeah, we can access to the internet. So let's begin to install bind by using yum install bind. Okay, bind cheers, that's why. Make sure that you have the internet connection with a proper speed so that you can install in this step faster. So my internet connection is not pretty fast. I need to take a little bit time to wait. Okay, it's complete now. So we already installed our service is bind. Actually, to implement the DNS server, we can install with a different bunch of software, but I totally introduce you and recommend you to use bind, which is the popular and free and completely support with the Linux platform. So we are done with our installation. So let's go to configure our DNS server in the name config file. So I will use command vim. If you don't have yet, you just use the same with our installation a while ago with the yum yum install vim. So your system will have vim. By default, if you install a minimal server, you don't have vim yet, you need to install it. So I'm gonna go to vim etc name v.conf. So let's see, bash vim is a command not found, which means you don't have vim yet. So give me a second, I will install vim. Okay, yes. We can use VI as well, but when you have a lot of parameter, it will display with the same text. But with Vim, will give you the special thing in your configuration file, another parameter with different color that you will see later. Okay, it's almost done. download and install. Okay, it's complete now. So let's go back to our editing file again with vim etc name and connect. Okay, now we go into our name configuration file. What you're gonna do, you need to edit this file with your IP address. So our IP address, as you know a while ago, put our IP address, and here in this allow query we'll use any. Then let's go down, yes, auto correct. And here what we need to do is we specify the zone here. So I'm gonna paste. Okay, and let's edit here with our server, which is learning server dot local. Master, and I will keep the file is called dr dot learning server dot local or .db. So this is the file. Okay, then create another reverse file. We put in our network address is in dot a in dash addr dot ARPA file. Then with the same thing here is master, and we put the file is 100.168.12.db. Okay, and we are done with our editing file. Let's save our configuration. Then what is our next step? Our next step, we need to configure the forward zone. So in forward zone we need to go to another directory which is called var and name d. Let this with our configuration files here. So we will use this example with our, so that we can edit it faster. So name d dot int to I forgot a while ago. Give me a while. Start etc name dot conf. Okay, we need this one. Okay, then cd var name recipe dot pname empty, and we will put our files here because we need this file name. So copy this one and let's edit it. Okay, what's gonna do is we need to put edit this here, okay, to our domain with srbr dot learning server dot local dot, and another one is root dot learning server dot local and dot. Another thing is here you need to point the svr dot learning server dot local dot. I'm gonna put more DNS www. We'll use this in the next tutorial. Learning server dot local. Okay, then let's SVR1. I almost forget here. SVR1 in a bit 1 with the address of the server, then www and a, we put the address here as well. Okay, then let's save it. Okay, next step we're gonna configure, create our reverse rule with the we use this file. We will copy it from our previous configuration to another file. Yes, then vim, let's see. Okay, so what we're going to do is just change here, just change the configuration here, just put the address here, and this one to ptr 100. This 100 is the last address here, and here you need to edit as well. To SVR1 learning server dot local dash www dot learning server dot local. Okay, so now we are done with our creating the zone file, and the next step is we need to open the port of our firewall. So just copy this file, this command success, and the protocol is TCP and UDP, and I'm gonna reload our firewall. Firewall dash cmd reload. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, because I'm typing wrong. CMD. Okay, it's success now in our creating, and we are done in our step 7. Next video tutorial we gonna use our testing command to check the error file in our server. Okay, see you in the next video.